With our security rules in place, we're now ready to deploy the app. There are many different places you can deploy a static site, but if you're using the server-side rendering features of Next.js or any of its advanced features like incremental static regeneration, I would highly recommend deploying to Vercel. Vercel is the company behind the Next.js framework, and they've really optimized their platform to deploy it. You can also be guaranteed that whenever they release a new feature, that you'll be able to use it on their platform, probably before anywhere else. On top of that, it provides a great developer experience, has a fair pricing model, and works with continuous integration out of the box. From your source code, the first thing you'll need to do is commit your code with Git. Because Vercel works with continuous integration, it will update your site whenever your Git repo changes. A Git repo should already be set up in your next project, so all you have to do is run git add, followed by git commit, and a commit message. After that, you'll need some kind of remote repository to store your code, like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. If you have a GitHub account, go ahead and create a new repository, and the repository will give you instructions on how to commit your code to that repo. After that, you can create your account on Vercel, and you can sign up entirely free without the need for a credit card. It does a really good job of walking you through all the steps, and basically all you have to do is connect your GitHub account, and you can select the repo that you want to use for this project. After you select a repo, Next will automatically pull your code into the platform, build it, and attempt to deploy it. When it's finished, and assuming everything goes okay, you should get a green dot next to your build. Then it will provide a domain where you can visit that app in the browser. And you're now deployed on the cloud with full server-side rendering and incremental static regeneration. Pretty easy and pretty awesome. Congratulations, you just built an app with Next.js and Firebase, and you're live on the cloud.